After today, you don't have to worry about getting laid off, because I'm going to give you the trend radar, which will showcase exactly what is happening in the market and what's exactly are the job trends for the future. So you are always up to date. So you can also so you can also update your skill set from that perspective. That's what I meant. I'll skip this blah 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 as an intro there, and going into the depth. This is basically the trend radar. It's saying these are the major. ACT means that the organizations or you as a person always have to think for the future perspective and have to act quickly. Then create the opportunities if that does not exist in the organization or in yourself if you are an individual there. Then develop kind of an innovative solution if you haven't developed it, and discover if you are not aware of it, so you already get aware. And it always go into the direction, okay, first we discovered, then we develop something. Once we have developed something, then we create kind of a system there. Once we have that system, then we act in a daily routine, so we are getting across from that perspective. So just to give you an overview, don't get overwhelmed there. The major factor in the market which is getting trending is that learning and development management part, also for the organization and also for yourself. You have to upskill yourself, otherwise you are being far behind from the audience who's already leveraging the AI and the new tools there. The second strategy part is the AI and the management strategy perspective. Please try to make sure, I know it's a German wording, so I excuse for that. So I'll be happy to translate just in case if required. I'll also post what exactly are the major factor listed here, so you will have a depth analysis to review. I'll try to make sure also to share this report so you don't have to worry. The second one is the Agile transform management. This is more or less for the organizational perspective, and just in case if you do not have the Scrum Master whatsoever regarding the Scrum.org organizational certification, try to upskill yourself. You are the most demanded person at the moment, because if you know how to agile yourself, you know how you can learn the opportunities and you can adjust into the new strategy and the development part of it as well. Try to make sure also in the mind, to have those aspects. Then data intelligence and innovation management part in depth. I'm not going to do that. Advanced security and solution management. This is the most critical part and most asked at the moment. I know this will get automated very soon, because it's where most of the organization is being attracted to, and market is also getting involved in creating a solution in that regard. So it's being developed in the market, but it's a trend which is coming up. If you have the awareness, if you know low level, high level tool there, which you can leverage to grow, please go for it. It's the most, I cannot emphasize enough, most asked and demanded stuff there at the moment. It's not just cybersecurity. It also covers the AI part of it in terms of the cybersecurity, cloud, organization, everything. So this is the biggest one based on my, let's say, the recent surveys I have done also for the organization. All I can recommend, if you can leverage the skill into the cybersecurity space, you are the key skill player in the organization. Then we have some, let's say, fancy topics where organizations are being clever and getting into the market to leverage those fancy words. So they are being trendy, but it's not relevant for us there. Just to give you an overview. Again, learning and development, most important for the organization part. For yourself, if you are not upskilling, AI strategy and the management, and agile transformation. If you are not aware of skill and agile, scrum and agile part of it, I would highly recommend to certify yourself if you are for the better future. Then you will know, okay, how to go in an agile way and leverage your certification from that perspective. And the development, these are the major factors which are being considered at the moment. Have that deeply in mind, that the cybersecurity is having the most of the perception and the reality at the moment, because we cannot automate using an AI the cybersecurity, because the AI cannot decide the security systems there. Human will always be involved. So this is the most asked stuff. Discover through citing. Okay. Okay, these are for the organizational point of view. For you, it's not relevant, but just to give you an overview, you have now the high level overview. I'll share the report just in case if needed. Please do let me know. Besides that, have a great day. Take care. Bye.